Okay, let's do multiplication of numbers in base 3, just to work on how to do multiplication in base other than the normal or the usual base, which is base 10. Let's take two numbers, okay, and another number, which is this one, and let's do multiplication of the two. Okay, so it's quite like normal multiplication in base 10. Just remember that, for example, in base 3 we have 0, 1, 2, and then instead of 3 we have 10, 11, 12, and 20, 21, 22, and etc. Okay, so you see the jump over here, so remember this jump. It's important that we will see how we use this. So let's start. So we start with 0, multiplying all these numbers. So of course it won't do too much except for 0, 0, 0. Now we start on this now because we are in the next digit. So this is 2 times 2, which is 2 times 2, which is 4, which is in base, this is in base 10. In base 3 this is 11, so you're writing here 1, and here there is 1. Oops, the 1 is right over here, yeah? Okay, so the next digit is 2 times 1 plus 1, which is 2 times 1, which is 2, plus 1, which is 3. 3 again in base 10 is 10 in base 3, so I'm writing here 0 and 1 over here. Now 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. 5 in base 10 is like, this is 3, this is like 4, this is like 5, so it's like 12. Great. Now next, let's erase this, we don't need it anymore. Okay. Now we are going to this one, again we are starting here now. Okay, so I will just copy this because it's multiplying by 1, so it's 2, 1, 2. Now let's add them up and get here 0, here 1, here 2, here 3, which is 10, so it's 0 and 1 here, and 3, 4, 4, which is 11, so 1, 1. So this is my number in base 3. Okay, now you can convert it to base 10, whatever you want, but this is the multiplication in base 3 and how we should regard this. Don't forget this idea. Of course, in different bases you will see different things. Of course, in base, for example, 4, you will see 0, 1, 2, 3, and then instead of 4 you will go to 10, 11, and etc., in the same idea, in the same manner. Okay, so this was multiplication in base 3. Thank you very much. If there are any mistakes or corruption, please tell me, and that's it.